today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Planner 5D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Planner 5D app here, or just click here on search, then here here search for Planner 5 the app, just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search for Planner 5D here. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.